In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use keyboard shortcuts to select text in Microsoft Word. Mastering these shortcuts can save you a lot of time and make your workflow much faster and more efficient, especially when editing or formatting large documents. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and place your cursor anywhere within the text. Instead of using your mouse to click and drag, you can use your keyboard to quickly highlight text with precision. Start with the basics. Hold down the Shift key and use the arrow keys on your keyboard. Pressing Shift along with the right or left arrow key will allow you to select text one character at a time. If you use the up or down arrow keys while holding Shift, you can select entire lines of text vertically. If you want to select larger portions of text more quickly, combine the Shift key with the Control key. For example, pressing Control and Shift together with the right or left arrow key will select one word at a time instead of just a single character. This is especially helpful when you need to highlight full words without missing any letters. To select an entire line of text instantly, you can use the Shift key along with the End key. This will highlight everything from your current cursor position to the end of the line. Similarly, using Shift and the Home key will select everything from the cursor back to the beginning of the line. If you need to select the entire document, simply press Ctrl and A on your keyboard. This is one of the most commonly used shortcuts and instantly highlights all the content in your document. Another useful shortcut is Ctrl plus Shift plus the down arrow key, which allows you to select entire paragraphs at once. This is particularly useful when working with longer sections of text. As you practice these shortcuts, you'll notice how much faster and smoother your editing becomes. They help reduce the need for constant mouse movement and give you more control over your selections. That's it. You now know how to use keyboard shortcuts to select text efficiently in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.